Our diversity profile for this week is the story of Ray Z Plumbing.
Hi, it's a pleasure to have you at Razor Plumbing Heating today. Um, my name is Raymond Zambu, owner operator of Razor Plumbing Heating. Um, Razor Plumbing and Heating, it's a company that we're specialized in plumbing, heating, HVAC, and ventilation. Um, we've been operating based in Calgary since 2014, and from then we have been serving Calgary and area. We also um, serve outside of Calgary, and in the plumbing, especially, we would do everything that comes with plumbing, including drainage, cleaning. When it comes to HVAC, we will do commercial and residential, which means if you are experiencing issues, whether it's service or new install, we are here to assist. When it comes to ventilation, we will definitely be part of your project, which will be air quality, uh, kitchen ventilation for those ones that are owner operator of restaurant. We do new build and maintenance. Um, Also, we have financing available for um, payment flexibility for your project or your house improvement. We will all be with you. As well, we also do what's called maintenance program, which means stress free, which we can come to your house, maintain your house all year long. You don't have to worry about having your furnace or plumbing that breaks down on you in the middle of the night. In the process, what we do, we make sure your plumbing, your heating system stay healthy and provide better customer service. And the good thing about it is that we have different way where you can find us to serve you today. It's either from our website through raiseatplumbing.ca, or you can find us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and any other social media platform. Just so you know, we are um, um, Housecall Pro Verify. We are Homestar Verify, and we do hold all license, and we do have professional um, workers that could serve you, and be confident that by hiring Razor Plumbing, it's quality guarantee, satisfaction guarantee. So give us a try, give us a call. We could offer you free estimate in person, over the phone if it needs to, but give us a call and we should be able to assist you with your need. Again, it was Ray. Thank you for visiting us today.